Hey guys, in this video I'm going to review Gleap. Gleap is a developer tool that helps you fix bugs faster with visual reports, plus lets you solicit feedback to create better product features. It is alternate to Instabug, Marker.io and Usersnap. It let user pinpoint issues with screenshot and replay videos and get a visual bug report back to technical data. It would be best for software teams, project manager and developers that want to squash bugs faster and boost user satisfaction. Gleap is a game-changing tool that works on web and mobile platform, and it integrates directly into your software with just few lines of code. Using the feedback widget, you can allow end user and tester to report bugs right from the page they are having trouble with. They can screen record to demonstrate the precise issue and even capture and annotate screenshot for greater clarity. You will be able to automatically generate visual bug report with a video replay and image, so you can squash the bug and move on to the crashing the rest of your to-do list. Gleap capture all the technical data like which browsers, device and operating system were in use, as well as console and network logs for each issue. And in addition to all the bug catching, this tool is also packed with integrations for popular tools like Slack, Jira, Zapier and HubSpot, streamlining your entire workflow. You will be able to ship bug reports to your project management software in real time, so you can save hours on manual data entry and iterate faster. Plus, you can assign team members to address issues and respond to direct messages, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Customize the feedback widget designed to create fully branded experience that feels like a natural extension of your site. Use Gleap preset menu option or add your own commands and tailored feedback flows to your user unique needs. Thanks to the dynamic mobile capabilities, you can allow users to trigger the feedback followed by shaking their phone, taking a screenshot or clicking a button. Plus, your dev team can opt to receive automatic bug reports when crashes or race clicks are detected. Best of all, Gleap makes it easy for your user to submit feature requests directly from the feedback widget. Respond to user privately to let them know you are working on it, and share your feature request board publicly to let customer vote for updates and they want most. You also be able to launch surveys to solicit specific insights with custom questions or Gleap's pre-made templates. Monitor response on a concise dashboard and use the result to make customer-driven development decisions. Nobody is perfect, but you want your app to come pretty darn close. With Gleap, you will get visual reports that take the guesswork out of finding and fix bugs, so you can build products your customer actually want. Give people the best app possible. Get lifetime access on Appsumo today. With Appsumo lifetime deal, you get unlimited bug reports, unlimited team members, up to 100k users or integration, fully customizable widget, custom feedback type, direct user communication, custom domain, user experience rating, bug reporting, feature request board. And license tier 1 cost you $59 and it all